Hi guys, today we are learning how to make your video look more HD in CapCut. First, unlock your phone and open the CapCut app. Tap New Video to import a video from your gallery or open one of your recent projects. Once your project is open, tap the video on the timeline to access the editing tools. Scroll through the toolbar and tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Use the search bar to find the sharpen effect. If there's a free version available, apply it to make your video look clearer. Go back, tap the video again, then swipe through the toolbar and select Adjust. Adjust the sharpen slider carefully to improve the clarity of your video without making it look unnatural. If you have CapCut Pro, you can use features like Enhance Quality or Reduce Image Noise for even better results. Once you're done, tap Export to save your HD video. And that's how you can make your videos look more HD in CapCut. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.